for the indigenous people who fought against the Dutch.
Yeah.
So in that bastion there are many tools for torturing the people, tools for hanging the people. Yeah. So I will prove, yeah. So if I know this little bit, fair enough, yeah. Oh, this is a little bit sounding, yeah.
Tempat apa itu, Om?
And then this is the forward gate.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Tempat.
So why the decoration of this dungeon like this, the interior? Because some months ago there is an art exhibition.
Okay.
And they use this dungeon to change their image.
Yeah.
Okay. Anu apa? Seperti yang hilang. Okay, now we're going upstairs. To see the back part of this floor. Within almost 2 hectares, this floor possesses 4 names.
Yeah.
I have mentioned 2. First, Fort of Ujung Pandang. Second, Benteng Panjua, or Fort of the Turtle. That's why on your ticket plate must be written UEG. That is the abbreviation of Ujung Pandang, not Makassar.
At the airport yesterday, I flew from Kupang.
Oh, Kupang.
Yeah, and they say on the flight, Ujung Pandang. Oh, hang on, somewhere in Makassar. Ujung Pandang, and the flight number, on the big screen. Ujung Pandang. So I had to Google Ujung Pandang and go, yeah, Makassar.
Yes, you don't need to get confused again,
Yeah.
Because that's the other name of the Makassar city.
Yeah.
So the history of this fort. Okay, now we're going upstairs. So that is why also the people who was born in the 1970 until 1999 is birth certification Ujung Pandang.
Is that right? Okay.
Sekarang now we are in the middle. The back over there.
Yeah.
Then the back over the back.
Yeah.
Okay? That is the pole of the roof. That is the sign. Yesterday, there was a tail out in the back.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, full of houses, so the tail was gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
Now these are roofs. Used to be, we use the palm wine leaves.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Dry, after dry well, we fold it, and then we put in the middle a bamboo, then we tie it there, rattan rope. But it was very easy to get burned, so we changed it into the metal.
Yeah.
This. We call in Indonesia seng.
Yeah.
Ya, namanya gunting seng.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I need, yeah. Hold on, un momento.
Yeah.
Long.
Okay. Now we are in the front of a place to store the documents of the Dutch.
Okay.
And also,
How many years of Dutch here? Maybe 300 years?
yeah, 350 years.
350 years.
Yeah,
Long
total,
time.
yeah.
Yeah,
In
yeah,
2
yeah.
massive period.
Yeah.
Because the first coming here
Yeah.
was the trading company.
Yeah.
That's VOC.
East Indies.
Yeah.
East
Yeah.
Indies.
Yes.
Yeah.
VOC. Yeah. Different mission. They just
Yeah.
came here for trading something.
Yeah.
They came here in 1600
Yeah.
under the lead by the Cornelis de Houtman. Then they went bankrupt in 1800.
Yeah.
And then they back here in our archipelago,
Yeah.
completed with their troopers. Then the first, kingdom they conquered was Samudra Pasai, Aceh, in
Aceh,
1901.
Ah.
And then we got claim our Independence Day
Yeah.
in 1945. So
And on 11 August.
17 August.
17 August. Yeah, party.
So formally,
Big party.
yeah, formally we had only, but that's only 44 years.
Yeah.
Yes. There's the other 5. Yeah. We said that that's the other 5 countries came here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So that is the original floor brought by the Dutch. See?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, they call Ubin Teger, yeah?
Yeah.
And then the room in our right side, that was the place for exiled Prince of Diponegoro, which is family.
Yeah.
His beloved wife, Ibu Raden Ayu Ratnaningsih, and his children and some loyal servant.
Yeah.
Yeah, here. Because he was the political prisoner, so he get well treatment from the
Yeah.
Queen of
Yeah.
Dutch, the Queen of Wilhelmina.
Yeah.
Okay, now Also, we are in the old city of Makassar.
Ah,
Where's the new city of Makassar? It's over there.
yeah.
Where you can see the 99 dome of the mosque.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, very beautiful.
Yeah. So the third name of this fort is Benteng Kotaya, the fort of the city.
Like that.
Because in the 15th century, already became the international credit force forces.
Yeah.
Then the last but not least, Fort Rotterdam. Why? Because the general of the Dutch, Cornelis Schliemann, that was carrying the Sultan Saladin, he wanted to commemorate this precious bird in Holland, in Rotterdam. So until right now, the name is Fort Rotterdam. Then in 1970, this fort was empty. Then in 1974, it was former. It's obvious like history, and for history preservation, under the surveillance of the history culture preservation. So that's good, yeah. They became by them.
Yeah.
And this is the former mayor office in the town right here. Okay, now we are going to write the second foot left at the back. And you see the canal, all the traffic and government,
Yeah.
contour of the water. And also this is the other name of the Makassar city, like you felt like now, yeah? Kota Angin Mamiri. Kota is the city, Angin is the wind, Mamiri is the wind, blows touch our skin soft. That's Angin Mamiri. Okay, here now. Now we are at the top of the underground jail. Now where is that? One door of the jail, first the other, over there. So this jail was such huge chimneys. The set is chimney also became the ventilation. It is covered like this to protect the revenue countryside. And then who were imprisoned by those now already missing the tail. There is like some all over Indonesia. Yes, remember office school?
Oh.
Yeah. Levantar, ya, levantar bandera. Yeah. Stone 60 centimeters, 20 centimeters. Yeah? Then that is the canal. Yeah?
Oh,
Used
yeah.
to be surrounded this fort
Yes.
and then connected to the beach.
Yeah.
Because in front of us there are 12 small islands.
Yes.
Yeah? The nearest one is Lai Lai Island.
5,000.
Good for snorkeling, diving,
Batu je
by
dari
sandy beach.
Melana.
And then the width of the canal 8 until 15 meters, the depth 2.5 meters.
Kalau banyak-banyak dia ambil banyak-banyak
Fish
stok.
pond. Now turn the camera into the
Tidak ada
grid
kata topi.
because there are
Tapi
many
untuk yang pasti belum
small
ada
reef
sih.
floating.
Oh.
Now
okay.
become very, very small.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to take a picture here, it's very good.
Oh, it's okay. I'm okay.
Okay, we
I
go
have
down there.
pictures.
Yeah. This is one of the fruit, yeah?
Yeah.
So in here we call jeruk Makassar. In Bali they call jeruk Bali.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hampir mi musim kota baru.
Looks like
Musim
a
kota
pomelo.
baru makan.
Up there, here.
Mm-mm.
The bigger.
Itu di dekat Taman Macan.
You see the yellow one up there? Here. You stand here. See, up there? You see that?
Oh yeah.
Apa?
Jeruk.
Itu jeruk Makassar ya?
Ya.
Di Bali jeruk Bali namanya. Nah, ini dia.
Jeruk
But
pakai.
the dangerous things about this tree because they're full of thorns, yeah?
So,
So
oh
we
yeah.
have to use this
Climb.
stair
Yeah.
to pick up the fruit. Iya. Ada di lampu ya.
Itu
The
jeruk
normal
kayak dipangkep,
size
Kak.
Looks like a
Big.
football. Ya besar sekali, besar.
Banyak sekali di kampung.
There are two colors inside, pink and white.
Uh-huh.
We eat it, yeah, in the name of food, rujak, mixing fruits.
Yeah.
Yeah, jeruk, papaya, mangoes, yeah,
Yeah.
pineapple, and then we pour it with the sauce of the cacahuetes, yeah,
Yeah.
with the palm wine sugar,
Yeah.
chili, salt. Ah, very yummy.
Very good.
She will show you, yeah.
Hungry.
No worries. Okay, let's go down. This way. Ah, that is the building from the dance, yeah. Little bit modification, so right now become the biggest post office in Makassar City.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
How we recognize it? Yeah, through the color, yeah, orange color.
Yeah.
And this is the best photographic here, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Three-dimension photographic
Okay,
from
yeah.
above,
yeah.
the middle, and below.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna be a model? You can be
Peter.
a model. Yeah? You
Peter.
can stand there.
Well, I already am a model.
Okay.
Go back a bit.
Yeah. The photographer, yeah? The panorama of the palm tree. Lontara tree in the video. You want to make some photo in the video?
Okay. Okay.
Elegan sedikit. Una, dos. You
speak Spanish?
Your head, please. And your face.
I like to hide my face.
Ah, you're very beautiful. Una, dos. Stop.
You speak Spanish?
Nanti punya hotel kita piring yang numuruk na to.
Iya.
Yeah.
Lima-lima culuk. Lima-lima culuk. Dah salah.
Serius na kau.
So right now the underground jail, then the parts of the warehouse and office.
Uh-huh.
Also, this office didn't use water from the government. We just used water from the well.
Yeah.
Even though close to the east, water level something, never dry.
Yeah.
Of course, you can drink it with boiling clothes.
Yeah.
Mau kita memajang di PC, baru makan, baru naik
Museum di dekatnya Taman Macan.
Hah?
Museum di dekatnya Taman
Gua
Macan.
museum, terus makan,
Makan bersembauku,
bobo,
baru keliling kota. Terakhir itu dia di Map 19
oh makin jing,
Makan apa begini?
makin jing.
Terakhir.
Ini sudah benti sembobo langsung ini. Oh, keliling pun.
Ini mah terakhir kita cedor masuk PMB.
The category memory of the road. The source from that 6,000 pages of Lontara leaves. The young one,
Yeah.
we took the young one, and then we dried where? After dry, well, we will be written the certain things. Such as a knife or bamboo. Yeah. Now it's already translated into the 7 different languages. So the Windows is not original anymore.
Yeah.
So this office,
Yeah.
this office determine,
Yeah.
whether one place become the sites or prehistoric site. Yeah. So it's very important office.
Yeah.
So the question was, why the government didn't go back into the local name? There's 2 reasons. First reason, the majority of buildings inside this complex from the Dutch only one from the Japanese.
Yeah.
Second reason, to attract as many as possible tourists, even from domestic,
Yeah.
local, from foreigner.
Yeah.
That is why Fort Rotterdam became the first island of the market subsidy.
Yeah.
You cannot be here before unless you come inside this world.
Yeah.
And also to ride 9 hours from here to nowhere. 338 kilometers. And now we are going to the head of the turtle, so you can see from above this boat. We are waiting for this, we are going to buy this van.
I bet.
The government say no.
No, it's good. Good government.
They want to make the hotel, yeah. Government say no.
No, 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 no.
Okay.